Hi students, problem number 11. Two swimmers started simultaneously from the beach. One to the south and the other to the east. So one is swimming towards the south direction, the other one is along the east direction, so that the south and east are perpendicular to each other. 2 hours later, that is after 2 hours they have started, the distance between them was 100 kilometer. Find the speed of the faster swimmer if the speed of one of them was 75% of the speed of the other. So 75% of the speed of the other. That means the speed of the slower one must be 75% of the faster one. So very beautiful and brilliant numerical problem. Let us try to understand by drawing a schematic diagram. Now let O be the starting point in the beach. So one is heading towards the south and his speed is S1. With the speed S1. And the other one has started with the speed, average speed of S2 along the east direction. So after 2 hours, what will be the distance traveled? Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Is it that? So what is the speed of the first person? It is S1. After 2 hours, let us say that he is reaching the point A. So that OA, the distance OA is equal to X, that is equal to speed S1 into time T. T is equal to 2 hours. So that is S1 into 2. Similarly, the second swimmer who is swimming along the east direction, after 2 hours he is reaching a point B. So that OB is denoted by the symbol Y, and his distance OB is equal to Y is equal to S2 multiplied by 2. So X is equal to 2 times S1 and Y is equal to 2 times S2. Are you understanding up to this step first? So one swimmer starting from O is reaching the point A after 2 hours. He is traveling with the speed S1. Therefore, after 2 hours, the distance X must be equal to speed into time, that is 2S1. Similarly, after 2 hours, B is the point where the second swimmer is reaching. So, if OB is equal to the distance Y, it will be equal to 2 into S2. So, X is equal to 2S1 and Y is equal to 2S2. Now, in this picture, I have shown that the second swimmer has traveled a lesser distance in 2 hours than the first swimmer. Therefore, whose speed should be lesser than the other one? In this picture, S2 is lesser than S1 as per this picture. Therefore, S2 is equal to 75% of S1, or S2 is equal to 3 by 4 times S2. So, this is equation 1, this is equation 2 and this is equation 3. So, S2 is equal to 3 by 4 times the speed of S1. This is equation 3. Okay. Now, you see here the angle between the east and the south is 90 degree. It is perpendicular, is it not? Now, after 2 hours, the first swimmer is at a position A and the second swimmer is at a position B. If you join AB, this distance AB is equal to 100 kilometer. Okay, are you understanding? It is given as what? 2 hours later, the distance between them was 100 kilometer. So A to B distance is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle OAB. Is it not? So what is AB? So I will write AB. The distance AB is equal to 100 kilometer. Now, in this right angled triangle, see, in this right angled triangle, x square plus y square must be equal to what? 100 square. So, in triangle OAB, x square plus y square is equal to ab square. Okay? So in place of x, what shall we substitute? 2s1. In place of y, 2s2. So this equation becomes what? 2s1 the whole square plus y square is equal to what? 2s2. So 2s2 the whole square is equal to 100 square. Okay? Now, this is what? 4s1 square plus 2 into s2. What is the s2 in terms of s1? In place of s2, we can also substitute 3 by 4 s1. So, this is 3 by 4 s1 the whole square is equal to 100 square. So, first term is 4 s1 square plus this 2 2s are 4. So 3 by 2 s1 the whole square is equal to 100 square. Once again 4 s1 square plus 9 s1 square. So 9 by 4 s1 square. 9 by 4 s1 square is equal to 100 square. Now you take LCM. LCM 4 4s are what? 16. So 16 s1 square plus 9 s1 square divided by LCM is 4. So right hand side is 100 into 100 square. In this format I will write. Okay. So 16 plus 9 is 25. So 25 s1 square is equal to 4 into 100 into 100. Okay. So now s1 square must be equal to what? s1 square. Okay, or 25 s1 square. 25 s1 square is equal to 4 into 100 into 100. 4 into 100 into 100. Now, if you divide by 25, this will be what? Once again, 25 into 4 is 100. So, s1 square is equal to 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 100. So, this is 4 square, this is 10 square. So, s1 square is equal to 4 square into 10 square. Therefore, s1 is equal to, if you take a square root, it will become 4 into 10 is equal to 40. So, what is asked here? Find the speed of the faster swimmer. Faster. So already we have written, you see the relationship between S1 and S2. So it is given that S2 is equal to 3/4 of S1. So S2 is slower, S1 is faster, is it not? So S1 must be the speed of the faster. So speed of the faster swimmer is S1 equal to 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is the answer. So, which of the option is correct? Option B. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. So, this problem is very lengthy actually. We have to understand the situation and do similar problems. Understand? So first, whenever you do such difficult problems, you make a rough sketch, schematic diagram. So I am repeating once again. O is the starting point in the beach. One is swimming towards the south. Other one is swimming towards the east. I have assumed as if S1 is faster than S2. Suppose if you assume S2 is faster than S1, that also is correct answer only, no. So along the east greater distance you can show, along the south you can show lesser distance. Then also 100 square will be equal to what? X square plus y square only. Same answer you will be getting. And you will get S2 is greater than S1. Understand? But the answer is the same. So first you make a sketch like this. So after 2 hours, one is at a greater distance, other one is at a shorter distance. You make a right angle triangle and apply Pythagoras theorem to get the answer. I hope you must have understood that fine.